had somebody ask me about, or she was telling me about her situation. She said that she's thinking of going through divorce. She hasn't filed, but they've been separated for a little while. And she said, and he owes taxes. And I'm like, well, did you do your taxes together? She says, yes. I'm like, okay, well,
that's one of the cons of filing jointly in a year when you're separated or getting divorced, because so the IRS has something called joint and several liability, which means if you file a joint return with somebody and they decide not to pay the taxes, you're on the hook.
Yes.
And if for some reason you get audited down the line, so let's say your divorce is final and you filed a joint return in the last year, and then 5 years later, the IRS sends you a love note and says, okay, well, you're getting audited. Guess what? Now you have to talk again. And if they assess or reassess tax and your spouse or former spouse decides not to pay that tax bill, you're still on the hook for it.
Well, it's interesting.